Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone? Today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of boring clocks that just tell time? Well, I've got something that's about to change the game. The Touch LED Electronic Clock Desktop Thermometer from OOYDYWO. This thing is a beast. With its sleek metal frame and king-size display, it's the perfect addition to any desk or shelf. But what really sets it apart is the LED lights. They're so bright and vibrant, it's like having a little piece of art on your desk. And the best part, it's incredibly easy to set up, just plug it in and you're good to go. The OOYDYWO Touch LED Electronic Clock Desktop Thermometer has a beautiful metallic lacquer finish. It's got a smooth matte texture that's just awesome to the touch. The aluminium hands are firm and beautiful, with a delicate feel that's not easy to scratch. And when you look at the clock face, you'll notice the thick, clear markings that are never blurry. It's like looking at a work of art. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear that it's a well-reviewed and popular choice. I've been using this clock for a while now, and I can tell you, it's so much better than those boring old analog clocks. The LED lights are great for those late-night work sessions. They're not too harsh on the eyes, and the temperature display is super accurate. Plus, the metal frame is really sturdy. It doesn't feel flimsy or cheap at all. I've even used it in my living room. It's a great conversation starter, and it adds a touch of modern style to the decor. Overall, I'm really impressed with the OOYDYWO Touch LED Electronic Clock Desktop Thermometer. It's a great choice for anyone looking for a stylish and functional clock, so if you're in the market for a new timepiece, I'd definitely recommend giving this one a try. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.